Hello, in this tutorial we are going to find out ceiling plaster and it is very easy. We have to just find out the area. For example, this is the portion in between grid number 1 and 2 and we'll just find out the area of the toilet, this open area and this toilet and as well as these rooms. So let's get started. I'll just start from here and I'll just write here in Excel as serial number 1, okay, and ceiling plaster between grid 1 and 2, okay, between grid 1 and 2, 1 and then 2. Now first we have here toilets, so both of these toilets are same, so I'll just write here toilets, okay, and then next we need to add here a number, so both of these toilets are same in size, so I'll just write here 2. Next we need to add here a area, okay, so simply I'll just go with rectangle command and I'll just find out the area, okay, like this, okay. Now I'll select this one and the area you can see over here, it is 3.78 meters square. Let me just copy this one, I'll paste it over here, divided by 1000 and again 1000, so it is 3.78 meter square. So the plaster will be in area, okay, meter square or feet square, so 3.78, okay, and let me just give here equal to number multiplied by area. So this is the total plaster that we required for the toilet ceiling, okay. Next we need to add here what, open area and this is only one in number. Next we need to find out the area and the area, let me just go here, I'll just find out the area, so rectangle, okay, start from here up till here. Let me just check the area and the area is 4.86 meter square, okay, 4.86 meter square. I'll just write here 4.86, okay. Next I'll just go here and we have to just find out the next portion and it is in between grid number 2 and 3 and these are two rooms that are same in size, okay. So I'll just copy this one, okay, copy, I'll paste it over here like this and in grid between 2 and 3, 2 and then 3. Next we have what, rooms, okay, rooms, and these are two rooms that are same in size and let me just check the area for these rooms. I'll just start from here and up till here, okay. I'll just select this one, list command, and the area that we required is 12.82 meter square. Let me check it in calculator, copy, paste it over here, control plus V, divided by 1000 and again 1000 and it is 12.82 meter square, okay, 12.82 meter square. So I'll just write here 12.82 meter square, okay. Now next we need to find out the next portion and it is in between grid number 3 and 4, okay. So in this area we have TV lounge, store and the kitchen. So let me just copy this one, copy, I'll paste it over here and I'll just write here ceiling plaster in between grid number 3 and 4, okay, 3 and then 4. So first what we have TV launch, okay, and in number it is only 1 and then next we need to find out the area. So with polyline command I'll just find out the area of this portion. With polyline command I'll start from here up till here, then this portion, okay, and then this and up till, okay, here. Now let me just check the area and with list command I can just check the area and area is 21.55 meter square, 21.55. You can just divide it on 1000 and again 1000 to convert it into meter square. The value will be in millimeter square because this drawing is in millimeter, okay. Now next we need to find out the store, okay, store 1 and next we need to find out the total area for store and I'll just go here with rectangle command, okay, up till here, list, and the total area is 3.24 meter square, okay, 3.24. Next we need to find out what, kitchen, okay, kitchen 1 and I'll just go here and I'll just write here what, area. So let me just find out the area from here with rectangle command. I'll start from here up till here and with list command I can just check the area. This is 4.32 meters square. Okay, 4.32 meters square. Now next we need to find out the next portion, and it is in between grid number 4 and 5. So I'll just simply write here ceiling plaster between grid number 4 and 5. Okay, let me just double click over here, 4 and then 5. Next we have drawing room in this portion. Okay, drawing room. Okay, it is only one. And next we need to find out the area of this room. So rectangle, start from here up till here. Okay, next with list command I'll just find out the area, and area is 12.96 meters square. Okay, 12.96. and then we have to just find out what next one here is car porch. Okay, so I'll just write here car porch, car porch. Next I'll just write here one, and we have to just find out this area with polyline command. I'll start from here. Okay, with polyline command I'll start from here. Okay, up till here, and then this, then here. Okay, and then we have just here, here, and here as well. Okay, so this is the portion for car porch. Let me just check the area, and the area is 21.55 meters square. 21.55 meters square. Now next we have to just find out the outer area as well. You can see here we have just this outer area as well, this area. So we have to just find out this one. Let me just include it over here, outer area of slab. Okay, slab. Next it is only one. Now we have to just find out the area. So through polyline we can just find out this area, and in this case simply what I will do, we have just this line over here. Let me just draw a line in this direction, and we'll just join these lines and we can just find out the area. Let's see how to do this. With polyline command I'll just start from here. Okay, from here let me just go here. Okay, and it will be up till here. Okay, like this. Now I'll just join both of these. Okay, both of these with J command. J, I'll hit enter. Now you can see it is a single polyline right now. Okay, now I'll just go with list command and I'll just find out the area, and you can see we have just area over here, and it is 10 point something. Okay, let me just copy this one and I'll just find it in calculator, copy, and then I'll just go here in calculator. I'll paste it over here 1000 and then again 1000, and it is 10.007. so I'll just write here 10.007. so it is 10. Okay, next you can see over here we have just a total plaster in ceiling is 111.68 meters square. Okay, this is the total plaster that we required in ceiling. So this was the procedure to find out ceiling plaster. Hope you understand this session. We'll see you in the next.